You've probably heard the word cryptocurrency. Some people say it's the future of money. Others say it's risky and confusing. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? In this video, we'll explain what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's different from traditional money in simple terms anyone can understand. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike physical cash, it doesn't exist in paper or coin form. It exists only online. It can be sent from one person to another using the internet without needing a traditional bank. That's one of the key differences. Cryptocurrency is designed to work without a central authority controlling it. What is blockchain? Most cryptocurrencies use something called blockchain technology. A blockchain is like a digital record book. Every transaction is recorded in blocks. These blocks are connected together in a chain. Once a transaction is added, it is very difficult to change. This system helps create transparency and security. Instead of one central database, many computers around the world help verify transactions. How is crypto different from traditional money? Traditional money is controlled by governments and central banks. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. That means no single bank or government fully controls it. Transactions can happen directly between users. However, this also means there is less protection compared to traditional banking systems. Understanding this difference is very important. Why are crypto prices so volatile? Cryptocurrency prices can change very quickly. This happens because the market is driven by supply, demand, news, and investor sentiment. Prices can rise sharply, but they can also fall quickly. This volatility makes crypto exciting for some people, but it also increases risk. Is cryptocurrency an investment? Some people treat cryptocurrency as an investment. Others see it as a new technology experiment. It's important to understand that cryptocurrency involves risk. Before participating, people should learn, research, and understand how it works. Conclusion: cryptocurrency is digital, decentralized, and powered by blockchain technology. It offers new possibilities, but also new risks. Understanding the basics is the first step before making any decisions. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.